All right, okay, all right. I'm gonna walk you through it. Walk you through it. Walk you through it. Y'all should be excited right now. 300,000. Our average commission on our real estate team is 4%. I know you guys saying, how do you get 4% on the buy side? That's another training. Okay. 300. Well, we know what it is. $12,000 in commissions right here. This is worth $12,000 to us. Okay. All right. So now we say, okay, we see what's available. We know how innovation is just go to Zillow. Now we know how to market it with 7 pictures or less. We don't show pictures of toilets and anything that's going to bring down the value of our home. We only show the pictures that people go, wow. Even if it's just one picture. I can get to another training and show you what if it even was no picture. People would still come out and take a look at it, just so you know. Anyways, all right, so now we know innovation, how to find it. Zillow, this is just one I'm giving you. The second piece is marketing. We all know how to semi-market it. I haven't told you how to market it. I'm not going to tell you that right now. That's what this training is for. We know we show 7 pictures or less. We're not going to show this picture with a blacked out roof. We're not showing these pictures. We're not showing these old outdated cabinets, right? Because you don't know, somebody comes through here like, oh, my brother's a carpenter. They could put in cabinets. You're not going to show stuff like this. You're only going to show the stuff that people go, wow. Okay, let's just stop there. All right, we got that. Now, the only next question is, well, how do we find out about the property? Every for sale by owner's telephone number is on Zillow.
Yes.
Every single one of them. Every single one of them. Did I say every single?
Yes.
Okay, just check. Every single one is on Zillow. So now you have a way to contact them. I don't want to work with buyers. I don't even want to do listings. That's what I'm here to show you. He's there. Now, if you call this seller and his house has been on the market, according to you guys, this is what you told me, for more than 7 days, is he more likely to talk to you or less likely to talk to you?
More likely.
More.
Because he's watching CNN just like the rest of us. Real estate market's going crazy. Homes are selling in 24 hours, 48 hours, 7 days. Just like you guys all screamed out. Then he goes, well, then we ask him, well, why do you think your home hasn't sold? 59 days. All right. Gotcha. Okay. Innovation, how to find it. This is also a way you can help your buyers get access to homes that they cannot find on MLS.
Amen.
Here's another ticket for you guys to separate. Remember, I taught you how to have a unique selling proposition last week. I hope you guys are coming here every week. I'm giving you everything. I hope y'all showing up. I hope you should be telling 4-year real estate agents, hey man, you gotta come to this training. Okay, it's over 11:30. Oh, what 11:30? I could be out showing houses on a Monday. Why would you do that? That would be a waste of time. This is more important. There's no houses for sale on Monday, just so you guys know, anywhere in the country. Every listing agent's figuring out their offers from the weekend. Worst day on the planet to show a house is a Monday. You're wasting your time because you got agents like me that never put houses under contract. They show available forever because I want to attract more buyers and sellers. And then you go show it. Yeah, go ahead and show it all you want to. It's already under contract. Whole nother trainer. Dang, that's like 5 trainers. Anyways, let's keep it moving. All right, trying to teach you how to think different about real estate. Let me move you back over here because I don't want y'all to think I have a lazy eye. Y'all are on my other screen. Okay. All right. So now you know you got innovation, know how to find homes that buyers cannot find on MLS. This is one way to do it. Okay. This is what will separate you if you're a brand new real estate agent or you've been in business a long time. Most real estate agents are only showing homes on MLS. This home is a for sale by owner. It's not an MLS.